Good morning and welcome to Year 4 Book Talk with me, Miss Dowley. I'm just going to minimise me. So let's start with the long date, Monday the 25th of January 2021. And the learning objective, I can discuss words and phrases that capture the reader's interest and imagination and make sure we underline both. So today we're going to have a look at a poem. So I've put the whole of the poem here. It's called A River's Journey, and we will come back to this page so that we can have a look at how the author has laid out the poem. But I'm going to move over to here, to the next page, because that's a bit small for me to read. So, A River's Journey. The river makes his way along the mountain path he chooses, shamelessly eroding rocks as on his way he cruises. Starting at a steady pace, he's happy to go slow, and meanwhile smaller tributaries come to join the flow. Then he descends the mountain as excitedly he speeds, splishing, splashing, tumbling, while onwards he proceeds. Then all at once the heady heights encourage him to dive. Enthusiasm leads the way, the waterfall arrives. Acrobatic, somersaulting, diving from the top, the river reaches base with one almighty belly flop. His bubbling intensity soon begins to show. As tributaries contribute, so he begins to grow. Swiftly riding on the rocks, he weaves his way along, passing through the estuary, but keen to carry on. Then finally, his destination comes within his view. The sea is beckoning from waters deep and oh so blue. So finally, what started as a river's gentle motion is all encapsulated in the wide and mighty ocean. So here's a vocabulary check, because there may be some words there that you're a bit unsure of. So shameless is when someone shows no shame or remorse for behaving in a shocking way. Eroding, to gradually wear away or destroy something. Cruises, to move or travel at a smooth or moderate pace. Tributaries, a river or stream flowing into a large river or lake. Estuary, the tidal mouth of a large river where the tide meets the stream. Destination, the place someone or something is going to be sent to. Beckoning, attracting or making a gesture to encourage something in a particular direction. Encapsulated, when something is enclosed inside something else. So these are our questions. Question 1, where does the river start and where does it end up? So use the text to have a look. Question 2, what are tributaries and what do they do? Question 3, look at the words in blue. Waterfall, diving as tributaries. Why do you think the author has laid out these words in this way? Let's just have a look back to here where we can see the whole poem. So we're talking about the word waterfall here, and diving, and then as tributaries contribute. So have a think. And then question 4, answer true or false to the statements below. The river chooses its own path. Rivers cannot cause damage to rocks. Rivers flow up mountains. Rivers don't lead to waterfalls. Rivers will eventually lead to the sea. And the final question, which is your favourite line or lines in the poem and why? I hope you have fun with this book talk. Thank you.